Fireflies.ai offers AI-powered meeting transcription and summarization with paid subscriptions like Pro and Enterprise. Canceling stops future billing, but understanding the process is key. We'll walk you through it, ensuring you halt charges and retain access to your valuable meeting data. As of December 2025, cancellation is straightforward, but potential delays can occur. To cancel, log into your Fireflies.ai account via the web dashboard. Navigate to Billing or Subscription Settings. Select Cancel Plan and confirm via email. For app-based subscriptions, iOS, Android, cancel through the respective app store. Remember, canceling doesn't instantly delete your data. It flags your account for deactivation while preserving access temporarily. When you cancel your Fireflies.ai subscription, future billing ceases at the end of your current billing cycle. This means you'll continue to have access until that cycle ends. If you have an annual subscription, refunds are prorated for the unused time. These refunds are issued within 5 to 7 business days to your original payment method. Full refunds are not typical for mid-cycle cancellations unless specifically mentioned in a promotion or offer. All charges are processed through Stripe, and they stop immediately once your cancellation is confirmed. After canceling your Fireflies.ai subscription, your transcripts and AI summaries remain accessible during a grace period of 30 to 90 days, depending on your plan. To keep your data permanently, export it before or after cancellation. Fireflies.ai offers data portability in formats like PDF or CSV. If your account remains inactive beyond the grace period, the data may be permanently deleted to comply with privacy standards. When canceling your Fireflies.ai subscription, there are common pitfalls to avoid and best practices to follow for a smooth process. A major pitfall is forgetting to cancel auto-renewals, which can lead to unexpected charges. Another common mistake is not exporting your data promptly, which could result in permanent loss after the grace period. For best practices, always document all interactions with customer support in case of disputes. If you have large amounts of data, consider using Fireflies.ai's API for more efficient transfer. This flowchart illustrates the importance of following a structured process for cancellation, similar to approval workflows in business. In late 2024, Fireflies.ai revised its terms of service to improve data portability, prompted by user feedback and GDPR compliance efforts. This means clearer options for exporting your transcripts and summaries. Keep an eye out for similar improvements as data privacy regulations evolve. Subscription fatigue is on the rise in the SaaS industry, with 35% of users canceling AI tool subscriptions within the first year, primarily due to rising costs or overlapping features with free alternatives. Fireflies.ai, like many AI productivity tools, is facing increased competition from free or lower-cost alternatives such as Otter.ai and Zoom's built-in transcription features. Looking ahead, the future of SaaS cancellations will emphasize stronger data privacy and user empowerment. By 2027, industry forecasts predict that 40% of productivity SaaS tools will include AI-driven retention incentives and advanced data ownership features. One promising development is blockchain integration for secure data ownership, allowing users to maintain full control over their transcripts and meeting data indefinitely, rather than relying on service providers. Real-world examples illustrate the importance of careful planning when canceling Fireflies.ai subscriptions. A San Francisco tech startup with 50 users downgraded their enterprise plan due to budget constraints. They successfully exported 2 terabytes of meeting data via Fireflies.ai's API, retaining it on their own servers. However, they lost access to advanced AI features, demonstrating the trade-off between cost savings and functionality. Another example from Reddit highlights potential delays during promotions. A user attempting cancellation during Black Friday reported a 48-hour confirmation delay due to high server loads. By exporting their data beforehand, they avoided permanent loss and still received a prorated refund, underscoring the importance of proactive data management. Expert opinions reinforce these lessons. Tech analyst Benedict Evans from A16Z stated that cancellations serve as a litmus test for trust in SaaS tools. Providers that prioritize data export and portability, like Fireflies.ai's updated policies, are more likely to retain users long term. When canceling any SaaS subscription, always ensure you understand your rights and options regarding data retention, refunds, and portability.